guys, today we're going to show you how we apply the elements of arts in technology-based arts. But first, what is technology-based arts?
Technology-based art is essentially computer-generated and manipulated. Through the centuries, visual artists use actual brushes and palettes and a whole array of points, inks, and natural pigments applied to paper, canvas, fabric, stucco walls, and ceilings. Today's computer artists employ the ever-expanding powers of image manipulation, programs, and applications to create their work which can appear in an entire range of media, whether as a physical output or a virtual experience. Computer digital arts. It makes use of electronic and mechanical device rather than the artist's own hand to produce the desired image and effects. Origin and early stages of computer or digital arts. Computer art or digital art first come on the scene in the early 1960s. Understandably, this was due to the technology that was constantly developing and that became available at the time. Thus, the early experiments were not necessarily artists but engineers and scientists who had access to and experience with the hardware needed. It was they who began to recognize the potential of artistic expression through the application of scientific and mathematical principles. In recent decades, personal gadgets such as laptops, tablets, and Android phones have incorporated the artistic capabilities of the large-scale computers. So it is now possible for anyone to be a digital artist.
The Philippine scene, Filipino illustrators earned quite a reputation for their talent and high demand in this field. They eventually became a quality sought after animators for some of the major film production companies in the United States, as well as the animated television series produced in different countries. Eventually, however, the concept of the computer-generated works as means of the series' artistic expression gained ground among the younger generation of local artists. Today, even the more established names in the field, artists and critics alike have come to accept and recognize digital work as fine art. To view works by the Philippine artists employing digital arts techniques, you may visit the website more organized museum and art organization among these websites. Here's an example of computer digital arts made by Antonio Gugordo from 2010 to 2012. There are also institutions offering training courses on digital arts, such as First Academy of the Computer Arts, the Philippine Center for Creative Imagining, as well as the Technology Education and Skill Development Authorities, through scholarship given by the Animation Council of the Philippines. Courses such as these open up an array of career opportunities for young Filipino in the fields of advertising, animation design, multimedia communication, and web development. Digital art in the hands of everyone. Computer technology has by now invaded every aspect of modern life. It is therefore inevitable that it could have developed into forms and devices that could be mass-produced, mass-distributed, and therefore widely accessible to everyone. In other words, anyone with a computer device from a desktop to a laptop to a tablet or even an Android phone can now capture and edit images and videos created manipulatively and share work of arts and even compose music. You can be probably already are a digital artist in your own right. The following types of computer or digital art is mobile phone art, digital photography, digital painting, computer generated images or CGI, videos like TV and films.
Mobile phone. Art is a kind of art that is digital art that makes use of modern technology. It can also be called technology art because traditional art uses traditional paint and brush in order to draw and create any kind of art.
Digital photography is a process of using electronic and computer appliances to capture, create, edit, and share digital images or photographs. In comparison, several different technologies to provide electronic or computer-based photography services.
Digital painting is an art form using computer software such as Adobe Photoshop with a graphic tablet and stylus pen. An artist will operate their stylus like a brush or pencil to execute illustration and painting techniques within a software program using a computer screen or tablet as their digital canvas.
Video art is a genre of art that uses films, video recordings, and video projections as a creative or expressive medium. Video art is often site-specific and can be installed, exhibited, viewed, and recorded in different places.
The elements of art are both fun and useful. Remember line, shape, form, space, texture, value, and color. Knowing these elements will allow you to analyze, appreciate, write, and chat about art, as well as being of help should you create art of yourself.
So we're going to show you now how to apply the 7 elements of arts in technology-based arts. So let's go!